just want to share with you a little piece of knowledge if you're a woodworker and you work with linseed oil. I just applied a bunch on this board 2 to 3 hours ago, a bunch of linseed oil with a rag, and this board's big enough where I needed to basically, by the end of it, my rag was completely saturated with linseed oil. After that, 2 hours went by, I came back and I left my rag in this little a little bunch right here. You can see it was just sitting basically like that, and I look at it and I can see smoke coming off of it. I open it up and it's scorched inside and it's quite hot. It's, well, where there's smoke there is fire, and there's even a hole in it where it was where it was on fire, and it was probably a few minutes away from just completely becoming a ball of fire. And it's not a big deal out here because I'm outside and it's not in the wood shop where it's full of sawdust, but it could have been bad if I was doing that in there and I left my rag on the workbench, which is all wood. That could have lit up the whole entire wood shop in there. And I just looked online, and it seems like it has happened before, where a completely saturated rag, saturated with linseed oil, is left put in a corner after the job is done, and then it just spontaneously combusts. So, and then the whole garage goes up on fire, or whatever, their house too, who knows. Here's my super dangerous linseed oil. Now I know it's flammable, but I didn't know it would spontaneously combust. So we came from there, a hickory tree log, in a matter of a couple days, we got it in the shape of boards. Boards on the back of my old 1930 model AA truck. Yep, and here's the end product. Some hickory boards to bolt my dump box onto the truck. Got like a 1/2-inch gap between the panel and the boards, and I just did some 45s on the back just to clean it, keep it clean and tidy. Got 6 bolts on there, and then I'm gonna try and set the dump box on and try and get a bolt through the dump box, through the wood and into the frame. We'll see how that goes tomorrow. All I can say now is beware of the linseed oil rags. They could destroy everything you love.